My name is Nicole. I work for ISU Extension Outreach as a summer STEM educator. Join me today as we unbox the Pit Crew crate.
Today we'll be making a ramp while talking about speed and forces of your car. In your crate you will find cardboard strips, toilet paper rolls, masking tape, rubber bands, balloons, Hot Wheels car, and then from your home you'll need a ruler and a pair of scissors. To build our ramp, we'll need strips of cardboard, pair of scissors, toilet paper rolls, masking tape, and if you would like to decorate your ramp, you can use markers or crayons. To begin building our ramp, we're going to determine the height. So, if you would like to build a smaller ramp, you would use 2 toilet paper rolls to make the base. If you'd like to make your ramp higher, you would want to tape your toilet paper rolls both on top of each other with your masking tape. Grab your cardboard strips, and now we're going to make the ramp going down in a slope into a curve. If you would like to decorate, you can decorate now or after you cut your pieces. Personally, I will cut mine after. You will grab your cardboard piece and you will cut it right in half. After cutting our 2 pieces of cardboard in half, I laid out my design and I decorated my ramp. We will now begin creating our ramp and slopes. So first you'll take your first 2 pieces of cardboard and you're going to create an angle, which will look like a corner to create a slope. Then you're going to grab your first piece of masking tape and you're going to put it on one end of the cardboard. You want to ensure that there is an angle so that way the card goes down and not straight. And that will be your first piece of your ramp. Next piece of your ramp will be continuing that downward slope, but kind of bringing it up in an angle. So we want to make it like this. So you grab your other piece of masking tape, put it on the other end of the other piece of cardboard, and we're going to tape it right onto the bottom piece. And you'll continue that with your last piece of cardboard. We will now take our assembled ramp and our base of the ramp. We are now going to assemble it together to create the ramp. So first, we're going to make sure that it's going to be secured like this so that we still have that slope going down. To secure our base to the ramp, we're going to take a piece of masking tape, tape half of it to the base, and then we're going to take the end that bends to create that slope, and we're going to push it down just like that. And to make sure it's extra secured, we're going to grab one more piece and put it on the other side. Remember, just half on the base and then half on the ramp. Secure both sides of your base with your masking tape. And now, put your ramp up to ensure that it creates a slope and stands by itself. Grab your Hot Wheels car and test out your ramp. After your test run, grab your ramp and put it on a flat surface. Then, allow your Hot Wheels car to go down the ramp once again. You'll grab your ruler and measure from the base of the ramp to how far your car went to determine the distance of your car. Now experiment with your car. Use additional items like your balloon or rubber band to help your car go faster and further than before.